Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that is by a brand called Taotronics. And if you guys remember, in a lot of my old videos, I actually tested a lot of products by them, where it's like smart plugs and headphones and different type of lights and stuff. There's just so many products that I tested from this brand, and this brand makes a lot of good products, and this is just another good product that they actually make. But first thing first is actually unbox it and show you guys what comes inside the package first. So before I talk more about this product, I want you guys to know I'm so sorry for this noise going on in the background. There's just construction going on and I don't know what is going on. I don't even know why it's the construction outside, but so sorry for that. But let's continue on. So when you open the package, this is what you get inside. They provide you the cables for the actual product right here, which is the micro USB to USB cable to charge the product and whatnot. And then they provide you like an auxiliary cord so you can actually plug this on to the headphone itself and plug onto your computer or anywhere that has a auxiliary cord slot. But what also comes down here is a user guide or a manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. So here is the headphone itself. So you guys can see right here, this headphone is actually foldable, which is pretty damn amazing because it's very compact, really portable, and you guys can bring this literally anywhere. And you guys open it up, that is what it looks like. Very flexible, if you guys can see. So you guys see right here, they have a very nice padding for the ear, which is really nice and really comfortable. Like, I don't even need to put it on yet. I can tell that's comfortable because of how well it's built and how comfortable it is and how soft the material is. Even the material on the head part of where you guys will put this part on feels really nice, really soft material that's actually really comfortable. But if you guys look inside, it actually labels L or R, so you guys know which side is which, so then that way you guys won't put the wrong side on your ear. But if you guys look on the product right here, we have the Taotronics logo on here, and then same thing for the other side. And the way how you turn on the product is right here. So there's a power on and power off switch right here. And then here we have the ANC button that we guys actually turn off and on the active noise cancellation on here. On the bottom we have a auxiliary slot where you guys actually plug in your aux cord, so you guys can actually plug this to listen to music on your computer or iPods if they still have the auxiliary cord. And then right here we have the volume up and volume down controls. And then here is the slot where you guys actually plug in to charge the product, if you guys can see right there. Now let's actually put it on and give it a test to see how comfortable it is, whether or not it's actually worth it, and how well it performs. Alright, so if you guys can see, this is how it looks like when you guys put it on. Now let me actually test it out and see how it performs. So first thing I'm going to do is turn on the ANC technology and see how that performs. Especially it's perfect right now with that noise going on. Alright, so after I turn on the active noise cancellation, it's like an instant bam. Like, you don't hear the noise anymore. Like, this thing going on in the background, you can still hear it going on, but it's like canceling the other like small little minimal noises out there. So like, you know, when you guys fly an airplane or something, that kind of turbo or turbulence sound from the engine, you guys won't be able to hear that as much or as strong as what it actually sounds like. So what you're hearing right now, you guys can't really hear as much of it. So let me actually power it up now and see how the audio sounds like. Wow, I have to say that these are actually really impressive. It's actually really good. Like, the audio is really amazing. The bass is not too overpowering, but it's not as strong as I would want it to be. But the audio is so clear to the point where it's really amazing. Like, even with this noise going on, like when you play the music, all the noise is gone. You don't hear the noise anymore because the music overpowers the noise. But then without any music playing on the actual headphone, you guys can still hear the noise, which sucks. But it is what it is. Just play your music and you guys won't be able to hear it anymore. So problem solved. So with all that being said and actually testing the product out, now let's answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $60. And you guys remember all my other products that are similar to this that I tested in the past cost around $60 to $100. So the one by Cohen that's very popular right now on Amazon, that one costs around $60. But if I were to compare that one and this one, I think this one is better because the comfort, the design looks better, and this one actually looks like it actually costs more than the other one, but they're actually the same price. The active noise cancellation technology on this headphone is actually better than that one if I were to give an honest opinion. audio and the bass. This one has more of a control of the audio and the bass, which I do notice in Taotronic devices or products. They actually make better audio and better comfort and better design in a way better than Cohen. But right now Cohen is the dominant force that is on Amazon. So if I were to compare both of these headphones for $60, which one would I prefer to get? I have to say these, because everything about it is just better. The fact that you guys actually fold it is actually cool as well, because when you guys bring this on traveling, you guys want to make sure it's like as compact as possible, and you guys want to bring more stuff with you, or bring less stuff so you can actually carry more stuff back home when you guys traveling to like international countries, bringing stacks or food or gifts or souvenirs back home for your friends and family. Also, another cool thing about these headphones is the fact that you guys can actually keep this on for a battery life of one whole day, which is 24 hours, which is really nice. So if you guys are traveling for international countries for 18 hours, this will last you the whole ride. And probably another thing that people will want to know about the product is how long does it take to fully charge the product. So if you want to fully charge this product, it will take around 2.5 hours. So if you guys are not using a product, just charge it every now and then, so you guys don't have to worry about charging later for like 2.5 hours. Pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it for $60, heck yes, it is really worth it. And right now on Amazon, they actually have it for $5 off discount code if you guys buy it now. So if you guys think about it, that's like $55, and that's even cheaper than Cohen's, and it performs better, it looks better, and actually it's foldable, so it's really compact. But like in how I say in all my videos, if you guys don't really actually need one, if you guys don't want one, if you guys don't plan on using these a lot, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you guys probably do need more. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing and feedback on the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have